Hello again, my wonderful English learners. Welcome back to Basic 1000 English Words. Did you practice the 20 words from our last lesson? I hope you did. Today we have 20 more. These new words are about your body and actions you do every single day in your life. Grab your notebook again, get comfortable, and let's continue this exciting learning journey together. Ready? Let's go! Head is the top part of your body where your brain is. Your head has eyes, nose, mouth, and ears together. Head. Say it with me. Head. Hand is the part at the end of your arm. You use your hands to hold, touch, and write things. Hand. Repeat after me. Hand. Foot is what you stand and walk on every day. You have 2 feet at the bottom of your legs. Foot. Let's say it together. Foot. Eye helps you see the beautiful world around you. You have 2 eyes on your face above your nose. Eye. Practice with me. Eye. Mouth is where you put food and where words come out. You use your mouth to eat, drink, and talk. Mouth. Say it clearly. Mouth. Nose is in the middle of your face for smelling. Your nose helps you breathe air and smell good food. Nose. Repeat slowly. Nose. Ear helps you hear sounds, music, and people talking. You have 2 ears on the sides of your head. Ear. Say with me, ear. Body is all the parts of you from head to feet. Take care of your body by eating well and exercising. Body. Practice now. Body. Face is the front part of your head with eyes, nose, mouth. People recognize you by looking at your face. Face. Let's repeat, face. Hair grows on top of your head in different colors. Some people have long hair, others have short hair. Hair. Say it with me, hair. Come means moving towards someone or something nearby. Come here means move closer to me right now. Come. Repeat after me. Come. Go means moving away from where you are now. You go to work, school, or store every day. Go. Practice together. Go. Run means moving your legs very fast to travel quickly. Children love to run and play in the park. Run. Say it clearly. Run. Sit means putting your bottom down on chair or ground. You sit when you eat, work, or watch television. Sit. Let's practice sit. Stand means being on your feet with your body straight up. You stand when you wait for the bus. Stand. Repeat with me. Stand. Give means letting someone else have something you own. You give presents to friends on their birthday. Give. Say it together. Give. Take means picking up or receiving something from someone else. You take medicine when you feel sick. Take. Practice now. Take. Get means obtaining or receiving something you want or need. You get money from work every month. Get. Repeat after me. Get. Put means placing something in a specific place or position. You put clothes in the closet every evening. Put. Say with me, put. Make means creating or producing something new from materials. You make dinner in the kitchen every night. Make. Let's practice make. Amazing work today, my fantastic students. You now know 40 important English words for daily conversations. Try using these body words and action words today. Point to your head, hand, and foot while saying them. Practice these actions. Sit down, stand up, walk around. Say the words while you do the actions. Which body part word was easiest for you? Which action word was hardest? Tell me in the comments! Like this lesson, subscribe for more, and share with friends learning English. You're doing great! Keep going! Next episode brings 20 more essential words. Keep practicing every day, and I'll see you very soon, amazing learners.